St. Augustine claims to be the oldest city in America. Actually, Pensacola was settled by Tristan de Luna in 1559, 6 years earlier. Mobile, Alabama's oldest city, was founded in 1702. Apalachicola was founded just after Spain ceded Florida to the U.S. in 1831. I'm Dan Fishman, and I love the Gulf Coast, but I live here in Atlanta, Georgia, which was founded in 1843, 12 years after Apalachicola. Despite being a relatively young city, Atlanta is widely recognized as the capital of the South, and there is a lot of history here. So, I'm here at the Atlanta History Center with Hillary to tell us about something that's really exciting that's getting ready to open at the History Center.
What is about to happen at the Atlanta History Center is huge, not just for the Atlanta History Center, but also for Atlanta and Georgia and really our entire country. We are going to open the Battle of Atlanta Cyclorama painting experience and the Texas locomotive. That is one of the largest paintings that you will see. It is one of Atlanta's largest artifacts. It is a fascinating story of individuals. It's a huge story about the Civil War, which is a huge turning point in Atlanta,
right.
And specifically the Battle of Atlanta. And the way that we tell that history and the way that we talk about art and restoration and tell those stories through there is going to be a completely different way to tell history. So as we like to say with this, history has come full circle. When you walk into this experience, it is a huge round painting like you have never seen before. And
virtual reality.
Virtual reality. It's like the original IMAX of the day, right?
Right.
So it's going to be a great way for us to tell history in a different way and a very relevant way for our country today.
So, all you history buffs, explore the historic forts and cities, from Apalachicola to Mobile, and make plans soon to come visit the capital of the South and the Atlanta History Center.